Hey everyone, and welcome back. And if you are new here, hi, I'm so happy you found me. Today we're testing out a new pasta, and I'll be honest, I'm not really a pasta person and I never have been, but this one actually surprised me. It turned out to be really tasty and perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. Let's start by dicing half of an onion. After cooking almost every night for the last 5 years, this is the easiest and safest way I've found to dice onions. If you like bigger chunks of onion, you can stop here and skip the last step. Quick little tip before touching garlic: wipe the onion on your knife. The onion juices help keep the garlic from sticking, which makes mincing so much easier. Now mince 2 cloves of garlic. Add about a tablespoon of oil to your pan and let it warm up. Once the oil is ready, add in the onion and garlic. Season with pepper, salt, and a little oregano. Give everything a good mix and let it cook for about 2 minutes. You're not looking for browning here, just softening and building flavor. Next, add your meat. I'm using about half a pound, which is perfect for 2 dishes. Cook this for about 7 minutes, stirring throughout so the meat and veggies cook evenly. While this cooks, take a second to break up any large clumps of meat so everything stays nice and even. Once the meat mixture is cooked, add half a cup of beef broth. If you have low sodium broth, that's even better. You can always adjust salt at the end. Next, add a 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt for a lighter option. If you don't have Greek yogurt, sour cream works great too. Then add half a can or about 7.5 ounces of diced tomatoes, juices included. At the same time, get your pasta water going. Today I'm using penne pasta and cooking it for about 9 minutes. I add a little salt and oil to the water, but always follow the package directions for best results. Salty water is key to flavorful pasta. Stir everything really well and let it cook on medium-high heat for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally so nothing sticks. Now add about 1/3 of a cup of cheese. I'm using shredded mozzarella, but use whatever melts well for you. Let this cook for another 2 minutes until everything is creamy and combined. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add your cooked pasta directly into the sauce and mix well. Let it sit for a minute so the pasta can soak up all that flavor. For extra creaminess, I added a tablespoon of cream cheese. This is totally optional, but it makes the sauce extra rich. If your sauce feels like it's taking too long to cook down, you can add a little flour. I was cooking late and we were hungry, so I added about half a teaspoon to speed things up. Finish with more cheese if you want, serve it up, and enjoy. This is a quick and easy pasta that's perfect for a busy weekday night. And that's it for today. Simple and comforting dish for any day of the week. If you try this recipe, let me know how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed cooking along with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and save this for later. And share it with a friend who also loves quick and easy recipes. Thanks so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next one.